people, so this video is really special because I have with me this thing called it's called the Blue Idea massage cushion. See, I was sitting with the whole dabba and all because basically I got this from on my child's birthday. I could go to this mall in Hyderabad called Forum Mall, and then you get this awesome cushion. Yeah, see, it works like this, and it is like the nicest massage that you can get while you're working at the laptop, or for your feet, for anything. So it's called Blue massage cushion, and this is, I got it just for 3,500 bucks, but it was such a worth it kind of investment, and it works on electricity, so there's no need of charging it with too many batteries. So really, people and this particular service center that I got it from, they gave me even something else free, which I'll show you all in the next video. So each time I'm low, I know what I have to do. This is called the Blue Idea massage cushion, and it is so relaxing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.